Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
I want to talk to you about why sometimes when you look at undeposited funds, you're going to have values that are $0, but they still are kind of hanging out in the undeposited funds. Let's click on plus new in the upper left-hand corner and then select bank deposit on the right-hand side. When we select bank deposit, you can see that I have a couple of transactions here that have an amount of $0 on the right. Let me go ahead and click on one of them. In this case, I'll click on the sample restaurant deposit. This was actually an example I had made for a different video for $0 sales receipts. The big idea is literally like it sounds. It's a $0 sales receipt. You have a sales receipt. The grand total of it is $0. That means that $0 is being deposited into undeposited funds. Because the sales receipt exists, because it says to put the money in undeposited funds, that is exactly what QuickBooks is doing. It doesn't mean that money was never collected. Money was definitely collected down here. If you're curious about the $0 sales receipt, I have a different video for that. I just wanted to show you that there's nothing wrong with it. Nothing has gone wrong. Everything is okay. And this is expected behavior. I'm going to close the sales receipt. What I can do in cases like this, and what I do is I just go and I click on the records that have $0 on the right-hand side, and I deposit them into my bank account. It's not going to influence the balance of my bank account because my bank account is $0. The reason I'm depositing them is because if I have a lot of these, this could go on for pages and just be messy and clutter and not actually help me in any way whatsoever. So I'm going to deposit them today. So I'll click Save and Close. And let me just show you what happens in the bank register, just so you can see, like I said, it doesn't impact the bank balance at all. All it does is create a deposit of $0. When I go to reconcile, it's going to show a deposit of $0. That's perfect. There's nothing else to do. You'll just select the transactions as you go through and reconcile, and life is good. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. If there's anything my team or I can do for you, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.